Hi guys, welcome back to PSR Tech Solution channel. Today I will show you how to make a fast letter to be capital. Let's start. Now we can see I have data with the full name. So here first name Pradeep say, so we can do the first letter to be uppercase and Mr. also first letter to be uppercase. So how to do that? So we can use that formula proper. Using proper formula, you can click on here A2 and enter. Now you can see P is capital letter, M is capital letter, remaining as small. So if you need this type of data, you can use proper functions. And now you can drag to down. Now you can see you got the result. So if you have thousand of rows within using single formula, so your data will be in proper format. Thank you so much. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get new tricks and simple formula to solve your day-to-day problem. Thank you watching for this video. Thank you so much. See you guys on next video.